Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a review of the Bluesky app. Is it really the next big alternative to X, formerly called Twitter? So stick around till the very end as we dive into its features, usability, and whether it's worth the hype. So let's get started. If you're wondering what exactly is Bluesky Social, imagine a platform that merges the best of early Twitter with the innovation of decentralization. That's Bluesky Social. Created by Jack Dorsey, Twitter's former CEO, Bluesky is a text based microblogging platform where users share posts of up to 300 characters. It's simple, clean, and refreshingly familiar. Interestingly, Bluesky started back in 2019 under Dorsey's leadership at Twitter. While it was initially tied to Twitter, Elon Musk's takeover led to both entities parting ways. Today, Bluesky is a standalone open source network powered by independent servers, giving users more control over their experience. In its early days, getting access to Bluesky was like getting into an exclusive club. You needed an invite. But as of February 2024, these days are over. Signing up is a breeze. Simple, head to Bluesky website or app and create an account and dive in. The process of creating an account is straightforward. All you have to do is add your email, create a password, and then verify your account. Build your unique handle, customize your profile, and follow account. And just like that, you're a part of Bluesky community. Now, if you're wondering how does Bluesky stand out, Bluesky has plenty to set it apart. The way first is decentralization. Unlike traditional platforms, Bluesky operates on independent servers. This means no single entity has control, ensuring user autonomy. And if you want a personalized touch, you can purchase a domain name and use it as your handle. And it is also an ad-free zone. Bluesky prioritizes user experience over ads, so creating a space for genuine engagement. And it is also an open source framework. Transparency is at the heart of Bluesky, allowing the users to see and even influence how the platform evolves. The interface feels familiar too with the layout of Twitter. You will find feeds like Discover, Following, and Popular with Friends, all customizable to your preferences. And if you're thinking about incorporating Bluesky into your brand strategy, it is an open playing field with no set rules yet, making it the perfect platform to experiment and lead. So here's how businesses can make most of it. As an early adopter, you can establish your brand's voice and pave the way for others. And with any media professionals migrating to Bluesky, it is a great place to share updates and build a PR connections. And last but not the least, you can cater to specific audience by creating or joining focused groups aligned with your brand's mission. And if you're weighing the pros and cons of Bluesky, here they are. Although Bluesky's benefits are impressive, they have great control over content, the user autonomy is there, and a playful, ad free environment is provided. However, challenges remain like balancing decentralization moderation and finding sustainable monetization strategies. Now, if you're wondering why Bluesky matters, so whether you are a casual user or a brand looking for the next big thing, Bluesky Social offers a refreshing alternative in today's social media landscape. It's not just about being another platform, it's about redefining how we connect and engage online. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.